Tutorials will continue and we'll talk about the calculus of classes. We'll introduce the three new indefinables. Next, we will undertake the discussion on the relation of an individual to its class. And then we provide you the study on the propositional functions. And thereafter, we talk about the notion of such that. It continues, and then we provide you two new primitive propositions. Next, we explain the relation to propositional calculus. Next, we define and explain identity. And this is where we move ahead to next sub-entity, and we talk about the calculus of relations. This is where we talk about the logic of relations essential to mathematics. Next, we talk about new primitive propositions, and we keep on talking, and this is where we discuss about the products. Discuss the relations with domains, and our tutorial continue, and we talk about the symbolic logic by De Piano's. So De Piano's symbolic logic will cover our discussion, and we'll have a topic of mathematical and philosophical definitions of symbolic logic with regards to De Piano's. And then necessarily we'll talk about De Piano's indefinables, talk about elementary definitions. In fact, our study will continue, and we'll keep on talking about Piano's primitive propositions. And these propositions will take us to the negations and disjunctions. Having had provided our study on negations and disjunctions, we'll move on to existence and null clause. Then we'll go to another topic of our discussion, and the next topic, of course, is that of implication and formal implication. When we talk about implication and formal implication, we provide you the meaning of implication. Next, we take you to the study of asserted and unasserted propositions. So our study continues, and we reach to the inference that does not require two premises. Next, we discuss the implication, which is to be interpreted extensionally, an unrestricted field. Well, of course, we have got the variables in a formal implication, and this formal implication has unrestricted field. Next, we move to a formal implication, which is a single propositional function, and it has got a relation to the other ones. Ones which has got no relations to two, we'll make a discussion.